guys, this is Anushka. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe my channel and ring that bell icon so that you're notified the next time I post. So I finally visited Sarojini after this lockdown and it was just another day at Sarojini. It was crowded. People just do not know what social distancing is. एक के ऊपर एक चढ़े हुए धक्का मुक्की सेम. Also they are wearing masks but just for the sake of it. And if you've started judging me abhi tak, let me tell you, I happened to be around Sarojini Nagar and I couldn't control myself, so I just visited and picked up some clothes. I didn't go into the lanes and still it was so crowded. I could see it was so crowded. Bahar se hi. You can either visit Sarojini by your car, which is like really convenient these days. They have this multi-level parking just outside the entrance and the parking is safe. So the next option is by metro. So you can either use Pink Line or Yellow Line. Pink Line pe you have this Sarojini Nagar metro station. Wahan se it's just walking like 100 steps. Or if you are on Yellow Line, you can get down at INA metro station and then you can take an auto just for ₹10, but then you have to share that auto with 3 other people, with random people, which is just not safe again these days. But yeah, that's totally up to you. Visit however you want to, but do not forget to carry your mask, your gloves, your sanitizer, a water bottle, a big bag and some money obviously because you don't have cards working there. So this market is like really cheap, and if you're in college or if you're low on budget, you can surely visit this market. Or also if you want to satisfy your soul with buying like really cheap clothes, you should visit this market. The only disadvantage about this market is that it is hell crowded. लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि बाकी भी लोग हैं उनके साथ मारो पकड़ के, मतलब they just start pushing each other, and yeah, that is the only problem you'll face in this market. Also, pro tip, you have to bargain a lot, so 50% तो cut down कर ही दो because the person will finally agree. And yeah, that's it. So to see my haul, you'll have to watch this video and let's get into the video. So the very first thing I got was this super cute t-shirt which says stay humble and be kind. So please be kind and subscribe to my channel. And also if you dislike the video, please give me a reason in the comment section below that why do you dislike it. Don't spread hate, please. Okay, about the t-shirt, this is a hosiery t-shirt. And I love the print, and yeah, it's very comfortable, and it was just for ₹100. So on to the next purchase. I got this pink colored night suit t-shirt which says I wanted to be a unicorn, and it was also just for ₹100 again. The third and the last thing for the summer collection I got was this blue and white shirt. Now the material is amazing. I don't know what material is this. This is not pure cotton, but this is like stiff, and I like the material. Also I like the knot here, and it is just so cool. And also it has these vertical lines which will help me in looking taller and slim, thinner, whatever. So yeah, and also this one was for $150, I guess. Yes, $150. Coming to the winter wear collection. So Sarojini this time had about 80% winter wear and 20% summer wear. मतलब I didn't roam around the market, but जितना भी थोड़ा बहुत आगे से I saw, तो ऐसे ही था. Winters बहुत सारा और summers का थोड़ा कम. So for winters, I got this super cute sweater. This is in peach color. I love the color. It is so my type. And yeah, this is in the size XS, which is extra small, but this is stretchable, so I will fit into it. And this one was for $150 again, and this is warm, like this feels warm. Abhi to sardiyon ka pata nahi, but yeah, this is an amazing purchase. I love this one. Another very cozy sweater is this blue sweater. Now this color is not my thing, honestly. Like, I don't like a lot of dark colors, but oh my god, this is so cozy. This is so cozy. This is oversized and I will just fit into it and I can just cuddle with this sweater. It's so soft. It's of amazing quality, and this one was for I think 100 rupees. Yes, just for 100 rupees I got this sweater. It's so good. The next thing is a very basic purchase, which is a black t-shirt, sweater, ribbed t-shirt. This is not very warm, but this is a full sleeves black t-shirt which has this detailing at the side, and it has some buttons. It is stretchable again, and this one was for 100 rupees again. It was very basic and so cheap, so I took it. I already have, I don't know how many black clothes in my wardrobe. This sweater again, this is a dark brown sweater, again not my color, but I like how cozy and warm this just feels, and I like the texture going on all over the sweater. It looks nice. This one was for again I think 150 rupees. Coming to the cardigans or jackets or whatever you may call them, I got this baby pink colored jacket which is not in a very good condition because all of these clothes just came out of laundry and they're not pressed, but I had to shoot this video, so here I am. So this jacket is nice. I like the collar. This jacket doesn't has pockets. Why? The jeans तक ठीक था यार लड़कियों की, अब jackets में ये pocket नहीं आएंगी. Horrible. Okay, so this jacket, I am not very happy about this purchase. Like, I really loved it when I got it, but when I came and I tried, it was so tight. I don't know what will I do with this one, but I love the color. Yeah, and this one was for 150 again. Yes. The last thing that I got is this woolen cardigan, which is long. It comes till my knee. It also has two pockets, like one on either side. It is in grey color. It has these collars and also it has these buttons, so you can just tuck yourself in it. It's huge, like it's oversized. It's nice, not my thing, but yeah, it's cozy, it's warm, it's nice. I can totally wear this, and also it was just for 200 rupees. Like, this piece for 200 is a perfect purchase. So yeah, that's it for Sarojini haul. I hope you like it. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye.